Good morning, Zimbabwe. Amazon parades expensive cars like trophies, while the nation sinks, literally and moral, into the mud it refuses to fix. This image is not just a stuck vehicle, it is Zimbabwe under ED, trapped, tilted, and dragged down by neglect disguised as leadership. Tisadabana mashoko akudataurwa naKirina Mujati ayo panguva inoshare this picture sera muri kuona in the video. I read this expensive vehicle but ichifamba muroad ine madhaka isiri tarred. Panguva inoi achataka the government over subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kirina Mujati, TA popular critic anobuda nyora achiti our roads are war zones, our clinics are ruins, our social housing is an insult to human dignity, yet he splashes money on luxury fleets as in glamour car berry road. This is the infrastructure is built, potholes, stagnation, and a country forced to tiptoe around his failure. Under ED, rehabilitation has become a rumor, development a slogan, and accountability a ghost. Zimbabweans deserve more than mud and empty promises. We deserve a leader who fixes the nation instead of finishing his cronies. This mess is not accidental. It is the natural outcome of a regime that invests in itself and abandons the people. Emerson is failed and he must go. Thomas Kwambletoko panapa aiwana Kirina Mujati panguva ino aposta this picture panguva ino achiti aiwa hazvisi kumeka sense, zviri useless kuti mamotor vehicles tinoona vakomana veempowerment vanouya vachidonata, vanouya vachipa magifts mamotor vehicles, but panguva ino kunonga the state of the nation, maroads, infrastructure, zvipatara zviri ine condition inotosiririsa, inotopisa tsitsi. Imbodzai mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pemashoko ake. Aiwa pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.